Do you feel torn between, on the one hand, wanting to be left alone, and on the other hand, somehow always being pulled into opportunities through everybody around you? If you are a 2-4 profile in human design, then this push and pull between solitude and connection is a big part of how your energy works. In this video, I would love to explore with you what makes the 2-4 profile so unique, what the Hermit and Opportunist lines look like on their own, and how these two energies come together in your life and what that then looks like for you. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's start by talking about what profile lines actually are in human design. Well, in human design and also in the gene keys, your profile consists of two numbers that reflect how you are designed to interact with the world. And the first number comes from your conscious personality. That is what you usually relate to the most, the way that you see yourself. And the second number comes from your unconscious design. And that tends to show up in how others perceive you and how they engage with you. And together, these lines offer a powerful lens for understanding how you navigate relationships and decisions and how you can make sense of your purpose. So let's start with looking at the lines individually, starting with the line number 2, that is also known as the Hermit. But it also means that when you are a second line, you are naturally gifted, but you often don't realize it. You feel that you have talents that are innate. The things that make you special, you think, well, but everybody can do this. And you did not learn them through constant striving. They just come so natural to you that you don't see them as anything special. And you thrive in your own space, but you often also need time alone to rest and to reset and to simply just be. As a hermit, you do not like being pushed into the spotlight, and you definitely don't like being told what to do. But ironically, when people leave you alone, your brilliance becomes more visible. And that's when people start knocking on your door saying, hey, you are really good at this. Could you share it? Hey, you're really good at that. Could you help me? Do you recognize that? Now let's move on to line number 4, which is often called the opportunist. And it's all about building influence through your direct relationships. As a fourth line, you are here to connect, to uplift others, and to be seen within your network. Opportunities in your life often come not from cold calls or from random outreach, but from friends or colleagues or coworkers or community connections, people you know. There's a natural warmth within you and a magnetism as a fourth line. And this is an energy that invites trust. But you also need stability and loyalty in return. And this is where it sometimes can go wrong. So, how then do the second line and the fourth line work together? Well, the tension but also the magic of the 2-4 profile is that you are naturally private, but also at the same time deeply connected to others. You may feel like you just want to stay in your own bubble, doing your own thing, but your network is watching. And when they recognize something special in you, they'll call you out of hiding. The key here is balance. Allow yourself the time alone that you need as your hermit, as your introverted self. But don't resist the invitations that come from your trusted network, because that is where your biggest opportunities live. So, what does it then look like to live as a 2-4 profile? Well, if you are a 2-4, then you are not here to force your gifts into the world. No. You're here to cultivate them quietly, to let them flow out of you naturally, and then let the right people call them forward. You don't have to be on all of the time. You just have to stay in alignment with your energy, meaning you need to nourish your gifts, you need to honor your space, and you need to honor your need for space. And you need to trust that the right relationships will bring the right doors. Are you a 2-4 profile? Let me know in the comments if this describes your life, especially how you manage your alone time versus the social invitations that you're getting. If you want to explore your full human design and combine it with your full Gene Keys profile, then you might want to grab your BU by Design blueprint for deep insights into your energy, your profile, your decision making process, your purpose, but also your life's work and how you can be a lighthouse to call in the right types of people. But if you feel ready to do a deep dive into who you really are, to study your design, to study your keys, to have your insights, your contemplations, your aha moments, and share them with a group of like minded people, then you might be interested in joining the pilot program of my BU by Design Mastermind. It will start on June the 3rd of 2025 and it will be a soulful exploration, but also a practical integration. It is being offered at a very reasonable price, that's because it's a pilot, and it will also offer you a say in what the program is going to look like. So you're almost guaranteed to get out of it whatever it is that you need. The link for the BU by Design Mastermind pilot will also be included in the show notes of this video. But if you say, no, no, I already know a lot about myself and I don't do well in groups, I just want to work with you one on one, or I just want to meet you and just bounce some ideas off of you, then I would love to offer you a free clarity call with me. The link to book that call will also be included in the show notes below this video. Don't forget to like this video if you loved the content, to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and to hit the notification bell so you will not miss the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Have an amazing rest of your day and talk again next week.